Hey guys, Rich over here at Mr. Guns Firearms, Cave Creek, Arizona. Memorial Day weekend. Wanted to give you a little bit of a teaser as to what's coming up video-wise from us here at Mr. Guns. I'm going to do a video that's going to help you buy guns online. Until we are able to do so, which they're actually talking about if you hadn't heard it, what's the easiest way to buy guns on Gunbroker, depending on what you're looking for. Do you like to just surf for hours and maybe come across something? Do you look for specific things? Do you look for the cheapest things? How do you find those on Gunbroker? And I know this might sound ridiculous. I've been on Gunbroker for like 20 years. Way before I was a dealer, I used to buy used guns all the time for myself. There's great deals to be found, but you got to do the homework. And tomorrow, we are going to Cowtown. Me, the wizard, my videographer, and White Boy. And we're going to take the Kriss Vectors out. We got 45, 10 mil, 9 mil, all with FRTs that the wizard did. And we have a surprise. We prepared a unit for the collector that we're getting ready to send up to him. Also has an FRT. And we're going to be testing that out tomorrow, along with some other fun stuff. We're going to shoot a whole bunch of different videos, get it on there. So we have lots of good content for you guys to watch when you come here to bad_shooters on YouTube, to Mr. Guns AZ, to Mr. Guns AZ1 on Instagram. Like, follow, subscribe, post your questions, comments below, send it to your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great Memorial Day. Keep an eye out for those new videos. Thanks, guys, for watching.